With the holiday season upon us, it's time to start thinking about the perfect gifts for our senior loved ones. Here are two wonderful options that are sure to bring joy to their hearts. First up, something I've already ordered for our Nana, a cozy, personalized blanket. It's a soft and warm, throw-sized blanket that she can wrap up in while watching her favorite Hallmark movies, surrounded by the warmth of cherished memories. Another great gift idea for the seniors in your life is a digital photo frame. These automatically display a slideshow of various photos you get to choose. We gave this last year, and Grandpa said he placed it next to the sink in the kitchen. So every day while they're cleaning up, they can watch this moving scrapbook and feel connected to the whole family. These gifts are sure to make this holiday season extra special for your senior loved ones and help them feel close to family and friends, even when the miles separate.